Your Excellency, let me stand here to talk on behalf of those of us elected that will be representing the state in Abuja, starting from Tuesday, the 13th of June. Your Excellency, we've heard you. We've done it in 2019, and it's always River State first. You've passed a message to us, just like a father would do to a child. We've heard you. We take the stand of the state. We play the national politics, especially that it has to affect River State. We cannot take any different stand at all. The position that the president of the country has taken, and of course, seeing our leader and the governor of River State taking that stand, that will be the position of the National Assembly member elect from the state. Your Excellency, at any point in time, we'll be with you and will continue to be a good touchlight for the state as we move to Abuja. Thank you and God bless.
River State is going to support the interests of Nigeria in the forthcoming election to elect leaders of both the Senate and the House of Reps. You can hear me clearly wherever you are. And we're not going to joke about it. We're all enjoying because we worked as a team for the interests, not just for the candidates, but for the interests of our party, the People's Democratic Party.